Hi guys, I'm at the Queen's Park Botanic Gardens in Toowoomba now. I did a concert here back when I was a kid, but it was a Christmas concert, sorry. Anywho, see that cricket pitch in the middle of it? Do you like cricket? Do you want to see the players? Do you know what ploppers are? Well, my story in here is that, yep, there's a main path in there, and these, yep, you can tell they're territorial. But do you like the no cricket players? Because, you know, we're saying that people have been open matching, winning, yo. This place is absolutely massively beautiful compared to what I remember from the ages of prep, so preschool, to year 4 for me would be about, what, 10 years of age. So, and on another note, I came across this. Now I thought it was a pine cone at first, and picked it up. You can tell it's been eaten. But when I smell it, because it's got sticky residue, sorry, tongue tie, sticky residue, and it smells legit like a sour type of feel. Does anyone know what this is? Hit me in the comments, guys, because, you know, I'd like to ask the people for a little bit of help and knowledge instead of Googling all my stuff, you know? So, two-way street. Stay safe, guys. Keep a lookout. Bye.